Welcome to this quick guide on how to find all your about information on Facebook using a PC, especially after the latest Facebook update. If you want to review details such as your contact information, work history, education, places you have lived, or other profile information, Facebook has moved these options into the activity log section. Don't worry, I'll show you exactly where to find them. First, open your preferred web browser on your computer and go to the Facebook website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once Facebook opens, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile photo. This will open a menu with several account options. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. A new list will appear, so click on Settings. This will take you to the main settings page for your Facebook account. Now, look at the menu on the left side of the screen and select Activity Log. The activity log contains different types of information and actions connected to your Facebook profile. On the activity log page, find and click on Personal Information. This section lets you manage and review information associated with your account. Next, select Profile Information. Here, Facebook displays different categories of information from your profile. To see all your About details, click on About. You should now be able to view your available About information, including details you may have added to your Facebook profile in the past. Depending on your account, you might see information related to your work, education, contact details, family members, relationships, locations, and other personal details. If you want to update or remove any information, simply select the relevant item and follow the options shown on the screen. Keep in mind that some details may have different privacy settings, so check who can see them before making any changes. And that's it. You can now find all your About information on Facebook through the website using your PC. Facebook may change the layout again in the future, but the activity log and personal information sections are the main places to check. Thanks for watching.